Hi, today we're going to show you how I made these doggy treats. I got a can of tuna fish and I poured it in a bowl. And then I added a can of deviled ham, a small can. I mixed it all together and I added an egg. You keep stirring it around, and then I added 2 heaping tablespoons of Greek yogurt. It has to be unflavored, natural, no sugar, nothing. You mix it all together, and then you have to boil like a 1/4 cup of rice, and you have to let it boil a lot so it's like this soft. And you add 3 tablespoons to the mixture, and you mix it all together. And then I added more or less 2 cups of oatmeal, and then I added 3/4 cups of flour. And you stir it. If the dough is too wet, you can add a little bit more of oatmeal or flour, and then you just place it in the fridge for around an hour. And then when you take it out, you can mold it. I got like this cookie. I made this like cookie cutter with a tin can. I made like a chicken leg. I poured the mixture in there, and then I just shaped it a bit, and that was it. And then I try to make bones, and you have to wet your hands because the mixture is very sticky, or you have to add more flour to it so it won't stick so much. I didn't want them to come out too dry, so I didn't add any more flour to it. And then I just made these little balls, and then I flattened them out with a fork. They're for my dog. I'm not going to sell them, so she's not going to look at the shape of it. And if you don't have time to do this, you just put it on the pan. You just flatten it out, and then you just cut squares, and then you place it in the oven. It has to be a warm oven, not too hot, and you leave it there for around 20 minutes, and you turn them over so they get golden brown on both sides. And that's it. They're really easy to make. I made a whole batch of them, like, I don't know, like 40 cookies or more. And my dog really liked them, so she just finished them, and today I'm making her another batch. Here's how she's eating it. Now, even my cats liked it. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel. You will really help me grow. Give it a thumbs up and activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. This is all free. You don't have to pay for it. So you'll really be giving me a great hand. Thank you for watching. Bye.